frog doesn't look too happy. What'd you do? Drop your frog?
They don't have a very long attention span.
No, they want that frog dead. They're so cute.
Frog's not doing too well though.
Oh, he got dropped.
He goes, wait, I got longer arms. Let me try.
Oh, no, he doesn't.
No, this one.
Oh. Get it.
Get the frog.
No, pull the other one's tail.
He's a cool monkey.
Yeah, why doesn't that one get it?
Oh. Whoa.
Right there, look at the frog right there. Look at this game.
Get a stick or something and push it forward.
That tiny thing?
I want to see them eat the frog.
Hey, get that. Get the frog.
That's a rock.
Yeah, you
Well,
get it.
they should have dropped it. They shouldn't have dropped it.
Did they have it in the hand?
Yeah. Yeah.
He dropped it from like up here.
Is it alive?
Yep.
It
Yeah.
was.
No, it's hopping.
It's moving.
Jumping away.
I know.
I don't know.
Push it forward.
Frogs, I guess. Or toads. Is that a toad?
They really want it.
Hold on.
Get it. You got it, dude.
Look at this just sitting there.
Oh, yeah, it's close. Look it. Watch it try to get the frog.
Ha-ha. Ha-ha.
Big one can get it.
Yeah, that's...
But there's a cupcake.
You definitely cannot reach it.